Willie! Almost with that. Yeah. Oh, we've reached. Hi, babe. Where are you, babe? I'm outside your house, waiting for you, babe.
Oh, you're downstairs? I'm coming.
Not terrace only, babe, but come down, babe.
Coming.
Babe, you become kangaroo, babe.
Babe,
Yeah.
what the fuck is this?
This is bike, babe.
Why did you get a bike?
Babe, mileage, babe.
Have
Full
you
mileage.
seen my hair?
I can see your beard, babe. You didn't go to salon
Have you
for long
seen
time.
my hair?
Yes, babe.
Do you see how long it is?
Not long, babe. Short.
Do you see how long it is? Answer the question.
Yes,
Do you
babe.
see how long it is?
Yes, babe.
How do you expect me to sit on this disgusting thing with this long hair? How? I am not. How?
Come, I will show you, babe. See, you take one leg like this. You keep it like this, and you sit on your back like this. That's how you sit. Babe.
Do I look like a character from Doom? Do I look like a character from Doom?
You kind of look like Amir Khan, babe, from Doom.
So,
Kind of.
so now you're calling me a man? Are you gay?
No, babe.
Then why would you call me a man? Why are you doing this to me? I thought we would go to Wonderland. I thought we would have a good time. I thought we would be able to do all the things that I wanted to do. And now you come here with this disgusting bike and you call me a man. Why are you doing this?
Oh. Babe, don't cry, babe. Babe, don't
Do
cry.
you see my long hair? Do you see it?
Babe, turn. Camera, it is not showing, babe.
Do you see my long hair? What camera? What?
Okay, don't
I
cry,
want to
babe.
go in the car.
Kara.
I want car.
Babe, petrol has become 85 rupees, babe.
What? I don't care. Do I look like I care?
Babe, what is wrong with the
Do you
CD100,
see
babe?
the lipstick I'm wearing? Do you see this red lipstick that I'm wearing?
I see black mustache, babe.
But you see the red lipstick?
Maybe.
I
Can
pay-
you just move
I
that
pay-
mustache? I see. Ah, yeah,
You
babe.
see it now?
Yeah.
I paid 3K for that shade. And you are trying to fill your car with fuel. To fill your car with fuel.
Babe, why-
If you can't fill your car with fuel, why do you even have me as a girlfriend? Why?
Babe, why did you pay with K, babe? Are you Ekta Kapoor, babe?
God! Oh my god! I can't do this anymore. Dude, guess what? I'm not going to call you babe anymore. I'm breaking up with you.
Babe, don't
breaking
break
up
up,
with you.
babe. Don't break up.
Get a car, then I won't break up with you.
Babe, we will turn this into a car. Come, babe.
How you turn this into a car?
See, I'll show you, babe. You just sit like this, babe. Now it is car, babe.
But where do I sit?
You
Where
take
do
one
I
other
sit?
chair, babe.
What chair? I don't see any chair there.
See, background there, babe. One tiffin box is there. No, their chair is there, babe.
You expect me, Aurora, to sit on that piece of shit? Have you seen me? Have you seen my body? Have you seen my hair? Have you seen my lipstick? Do you really expect me to sit on that chair over there?
Babe, tell me one thing. Is this Spider-Man or Deadpool, babe?
Stop looking at all those, please. You disgusting human being. You don't understand we're standing on the road.
Okay, babe, come, babe. Don't go back home, babe.
I'm breaking up with you.
Why, babe?
Fuck you.
Why, babe? Hey, babe. Hey, babe. Hey, babe. Call me freedom, just like the wasteland side. I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like the wasteland.
I paid 3K for that shade, and you are trying to fill your car with fuel. To fill your car with fuel. If you can't fill your car with fuel, why do you even have me as a girlfriend? How you done this into
Oh
I like in between there's a line. You said a line and then you just like, babe.
Babe, see here. Here's a babe. Babe, calm down, babe.
Hey, I'm broken up with you, okay?
Babe, why you don't leave me, babe?
That is loser's true feminine side, dude.
I need some water. Let me at least drink water, please. Hi, Halal.
Hi, Appy. I was just gonna say Abhi. Sorry, it's been so long since I met you. Okay, hi, Appy. How are you? Cool stuff. Nice office. Who you guys are from?
Please.
Fucker, I asked him last, bro. I woke up early today.
Bliss.
And literally had so much time, I didn't know what to do.
Today's day was actually little hectic. We had actually lot of work. Like just before I finished that work like shit, and then now like these people came and we had some fun, and then now we are probably going to the airport. I don't know like for what joy, but I know these vlogs are getting boring, and I'll make sure or I'll try to make it more entertaining. I don't know. So yeah, bye bye.
I was there.
Hi Akshay.
1 minute, bro. I'm trying to like talk something.
Talk, bro.
Let's do this.
Yeah, but don't eat egg rice.
Hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
Not a baby.
I thought you wanted to chop.
So basically like we have come to Akshay's place, and right now we are going to go, I'm not sure where exactly, but let's see. I'm going to put this here and see you back.